through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
What the fuck?
Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls.
Yeah.
Evil ropes feel the sun so cold.
Last night I saw this man on the corner with a sign, hoping for a meal. Back pocket pack a knife, so broke, gotta steal. I know we all connected like spokes to a wheel. Never cared who I offended, always spoke what I feel. No, you don't have to like it, at least you know that it's real. Labels at my card table, but ain't close to a deal. In the field, everybody got goals that they must chase. Fill your pockets looking full like they just ate. While this one's for my pops on his lunch break. Worked for the years and he's still standing up straight. Same reason every night why I'm up late. I love it more than the fat kid love cake. Like man, I can't wait for what I know is coming. Soon as you blow all the dough that these hoes is wanting. Why people always wanna act like you owe them something? Can't walk a straight line when they nose is running. We be stars with these bars freestyling. Give them CPR till they start to feel alive again. Your VCR's been time for retiring. Truck full of hoes like I am a fireman. Case full of J's every time that I'm flying in. Hard as the barrel on the 9 I've been firing. Cold as my soul through the mind we inspiring. My beat is a G, let me rhyme on a violin. But shit, I used to want it all like AZ. Yeah, I used to want a ball like KG. Look small but I walk like I'm 8'3". Stand tall while they all wanna hate me. Overdue but don't trip, I know late fee. Lately living grass-fed, cage-free. Saw crazy, the hate couldn't break me. I got a little change but that chain couldn't change me. So to the day that I'm sent to my mate,